Could I get a mic check, please? Thank you guys for being here and welcome to the stream. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for showing up. Can you hear me loud and clear? I'm using a different platform. I'm trying something different and we're just going to see what it does. Do you hear me loud and clear? Maybe you guys don't see me, though. Hold on. I think maybe we might be onto something here. There we go. There we go. Okay. All right. So you guys should be able to see me okay, hear me okay. Everything good? Everything good? What is going on, Debwood? Good to see ya. So we are back. The first stream, I don't know. I didn't like it. I didn't like what was going on with it. So, you know, we restarted, and as we were waiting to start the first stream, the bill got passed. So during that very moment that the US spending bill was passed and the government should be reopening soon. Now, again, that's going to be a little bit, right? It's going to be a little bit, but the government should be reopening soon. At that very moment that the spending bill was passed, we did get a little push to the upside from Bitcoin. We did push up to $102.6 thousand right here. Now, I want to point something out real quick from our stream, our party stream that we did. We actually called this beautifully. Let me go ahead and get rid of this. But we called this beautifully, did we not? We broke out perfectly right here. My measure move target was 104,400. We actually ran all the way to 105,500 exactly. $105,500.00. Do you think that's a coincidence? I think not. I think not. $105,500 was that top right there. And then, of course, we rounded off and we fell back down. Now, the rounded bottom here played out. We got our nice rounded bottom, we got our wedge, and we broke out to the upside. So now, what are we doing, Bitcoin? Because if we zoom out just a little more, what did we do here on this drop? After we broke to the upside, and we did run here, but we dumped hard and heavy afterwards. What did we do there? Let's see if we can adjust the support and make it make sense. Bitcoin still forming this channel. I mean, really still within this channel support. Really still within the channel support. We could be bouncing off of the support of the channel. That drop right there was pretty vicious. And to be honest, the market has been so manipulated. So manipulated. You know, are we looking at possibly the end the end to crypto and Bitcoin as we know it. The end to Bitcoin trading as we know it. Can we still rely on the things we used to rely on? I don't know. Don't know that we can, right? Don't know that we can. Don't know that we can here. Is the 4-year cycle dead? And Ethereum still looking weak. Everything looking pretty weak right now. Everything looking pretty weak right now. ETH right now rolling over bad. That just looks terrible, you know. Looks very bad, and we lost the 3,500 support right here. Got rejected there by that. Got rejected by 3,600. Got rejected by 3,500. So with the price action looking kind of weak, what are we all thinking right now? What are we all thinking, right? What are we thinking? And why in the hell does my microphone sound the way it does? I don't know. I can't figure it out. Meme Slinger says bear trap. Could be a bear trap. Could be a bear trap. I mean, if you look at Ethereum, we are still technically, we've had this fake out here, sort of. I mean, that's more than big drop. I guess you really wouldn't call that a fake out. But if we look at this resistance, this support, that is held pretty consistently. So, you know, with that holding, can we expect this to hold for ETH and expect us to still run and break out here? Is a possibility. I think there's still a good chance that Ethereum holds here. And again, you know, I told you guys before how I feel about Ethereum. Even if we did drop, even if we lost this support, we got the 200-week moving average coming up, and that's at about $2,500. That doesn't hold. We've got this support down here at about $1,800. $1,800, $1,900 right here. And if that holds, which it should hold, right? Here we go. There it is. There it is. Around $2,000. If the 200-week moving average doesn't hold support, we've got about $2,000 support here on this support line. And that support line goes all the way back, and it's very consistent. Very consistent support for Ethereum. So here we are. here we are at the finish line, right? Is it the finish line or is it the starting line? Because this could be the starting point of a massive, massive run. 1 second, guys. My apologies. My apologies. What in the world? My microphone's still glitching out on me, I guess. Strega Heart, we did get the tacos. We did get the tacos. Ishmael failed us, but we did end up getting the tacos. Sorry, that threw me off just a little bit, but that was my daughter calling me, video calling me to tell me goodnight. But yeah, we might start doing these streams like this from now on. It's does it look different? Let me see what this looks like. Don't trip by the dip. This is where we're at, guys. You know, honestly, guys, when you look at this chart, when you honestly look at this chart, what do you feel? What do you feel when you see this in this area in the price for Ethereum? I feel like when I look at this, guys, okay. So my daughter called me to tell me goodnight. Now my grandfather is calling me. 1 second, please. I'll be right back. Well, thank you guys for still being here. Sorry about that. Okay. But as I was saying for Ethereum, so this is going to be the go-to spot for me. I'm still looking at this pretty closely. And I mean, really, we did kind of veer off from this. But this seems to be it, man. Look, this seems to be where we get our actual bull market from. I don't know what to really say about this, you know? Don't really know what to think about this. Other than I feel like this could be, we could potentially be somewhere similar to this right here. There's just there's a couple of really big differences, right? Because Ethereum is below the 50-week moving average. We're still above the 200-week though. And if we stay above the 200-week moving average, even if we dip below it here like we did here, we could still dip below it. But if we stay above the 200-week moving average, so if we stay above 2,500, if Ethereum stays above 2,500, then we should have nothing to worry about. We should be okay. We could even do something similar to what we did here, right here. Right? It's very, very likely that this could happen. We don't really have to just be all just gloom and doom and bear mode right now. Because what we could be seeing take place is just the beginning. And this chart shows you that. Not only would a drop to $2,000 or $2,100, not only would that give us this double bottom similar to what we had back in 2019, but it would also confirm support within this potential ascending triangle. And we could potentially, if we look at the ascending triangle, there's a couple of different perspectives we could take a look at. Let's see here. Let's get rid of some of that. Now, I'm really looking at this though. I'm really looking at this like this is likely to confirm this uptrend, to confirm the support on it. Because if you think about it, we've only got this one drop right here, We've only got this one drop with this one touch right there. Excuse me. We've only got this one drop right here. And that was in April. Okay. That was back in April of this year. And back here, back in 2019, we had, back in 2020, right before our parabolic run, we had multiple confirmations there on this support line. We did have two drops right there. We had basically a double bottom form right here. Minus these wicks, right? Minus these wicks, but we know what the wicks were. We know what this was. We take it back. Take it back and remember what happened here in March of 2020. We know what that is. So those wicks are irrelevant. This was a double bottom, right? Let me just get rid of some of this. Okay, so this was a double bottom, right? This was a double bottom. This was a double bottom, and we're looking at the potential for the same thing to happen here. And again, we could get the wick, we could get a wick below the support line, potentially. We could get a wick below it. But that's what I'm looking at. Currently, the price of Ethereum is still holding 3,400. We're just not wanting to hold 35. Now, every time we came down here to this support line before, this line here, every time we came to this support line before, we bounced beautifully. Except for here. We did lose. We lost it here. In March, back in March and April. We did lose it. So that's where I'm looking at here. We're either, if we lose this, if we lose the indicator right here, if we come down in it, come down below 3,000, if we do come below 3,000, I would expect a test of the 200-week moving average first, and that's, you know, around 2,600, give or take. If we lose the 200-week moving average, then this is my go-to. So 2K, 2,000 to 1,900, 2,000 to 1,900 is going to be my go-to low for Ethereum, and then we're going to likely blast off to the moon there. Anytime before we have been below the 200-week moving average like this was a major buying zone. Major buying zone right here. Another major buying zone right there as well. So again, we're just going to do this because this and this just makes too much sense. And again, something to really take into consideration is the potential for this to be an ascending triangle. And if it is an ascending triangle, then we have a massive measure move to look at. Massive measure move to look at. Even if we drop to $1,900. Think about this. Even if Ethereum drops to 1,900, we still have the potential for this massive breakout. And again, I have seen the price predictions for Ethereum, and I know this seems unreal. This seems undoable. This seems insane to even think about. What if the 4-year cycle is dead? And think about this, because we've already done this before, right? We've already done this move before. We did this back in 2020. Back in 2020 and 2021, Ethereum rose around 2,000%. And we don't have to go 2,000. We don't have to go 2,000%, even if we just went 300%. Even if we just went 300%. Would reach $20,000. But potential measure move of the ascending triangle would put Ethereum at around $90,000 to $96,000. And I have seen talks of the potential 100K Ethereum target. The 100K Ethereum target. When Bitcoin hits 1 million, we're going to see Ethereum at 100,000. But again, this is going to be, what does this say? Time frame of this? February of 2027. So again, if the 4-year cycle is dead, if the whole idea that the 4-year cycle is dead, I would say this is a possibility. And if you think about it, there's no reason for Ethereum to go lower than 19 to 1800. Specifically 1900 though. Right here at this support line. There's no reason for us to go below this. We have built a foundation. Ethereum has a massive foundation of support right here. And it has been holding it. It has been holding it since, it's been holding it for almost a decade. Almost a decade this support has held. You know, Meme Slinger, I see here says, Meme Slinger says 100K ETH is crazy to think about. You know what else was crazy to think about? Whenever Ethereum was at $128. You know what was crazy to think about at 128 Ethereum? And almost $5,000 Ethereum was crazy to think about. And think about this. From April 2020 to April of 2021 or May of 2021, the price of ETH rose from $128 to $3,200 in 1 year. In 1 year, the price of Ethereum rose 2,500%. Give us 1 year from here. Give us 1 year from here, and let's see a $60,000 Ethereum. Insane price predictions. I know it sounds insane. It all sounds insane until it happens, right? It all sounds insane until it happens. And then we wonder how it happened without us being prepared, right? Well, this is how you prepare. I've gave it all to you. I've gave it all to you. Now, again, to me, there is no reason for us to see the price of Ethereum drop below 18 to 1900. And if we lose this uptrend, if we lose this support, I mean, there's just no way. You know, there's just no way. There's no reason for us to ever expect Ethereum to crash below this. There's really no reason for it. Now, will there be an altcoin season? You know, I look at what Zcash. Think about what Zcash is already doing, you know? With Zcash already leading the charge. So we got privacy coins leading the way. What if Zcash is leading us into the next alt season? And it's just starting, it just happens to be that it's starting with the privacy coins. And so Zcash is the front runner for the next altcoin season. And the next altcoin season may not be the end of year 2025. Maybe our whole idea that this run is over this year is wrong. Now, Bitcoin, what are we going to see Bitcoin do here? What happens next here? Because we all know what happens when we get a rounded top. We know what typically happens. Rounded tops lead to a drop. Are we prepared? Are you prepared to see Bitcoin drop to $85,800? Something to take into consideration. If Bitcoin loses the support at $100,000, does that signal the end of the bull run? If we lose support here, this is something that typically does lead to the bear market falling and losing support on this indicator. Obviously, this indicator has been indicative of the bull run support. So if we lose the indicator support here, does that mean we lose the bull run support? Does that mean we lose the bull run? Does that mean that it's the end of the cycle? We have so many people right now screaming that the 4-year cycle is dead. How do we tell if the 4-year cycle is really dead? I'll tell you what, guys, right now you cannot tell. The only way to know is time. What happens next for Bitcoin will determine if the 4-year cycle is really dead. If Bitcoin holds $100,000 support and we run here and we bounce and we run, 4-year cycle is officially dead. This has already been the longest cycle ever in history for Bitcoin and the crypto market. But if 100K Bitcoin holds and we run from here, putting in new all-time highs, 4-year cycle is dead. If we do not hold support, we lose the indicator. We fall into it like we did back here. We fall down into the indicator. We get rejected by 100K. 4-year cycle is intact. Likely means we're going to drop all the way to the 200-week moving average here. And with the potential bear market bottom target for Bitcoin, the potential bear market bottom price prediction here, if you really want to know, if we go into a bear market, if the 4-year cycle is not dead, we go into a bear market, then my go-to, I mean, you can't really deny bear market low, okay, bear market low, 55,000 to 65,000, 55,000 to 60,000, give or take. I'm going to say 55 to 65. 55 to 65 is going to be the bear market low. We got a bear market low here, bear market low here. Next bear market low, potentially, if the 4-year cycle is intact, the next bear market low should be here. Okay, maybe let's see, let's scoot it on down just a hair. Here we go. In August of 2026, potentially. And then accumulation in 2027 to 2028, leading into the next bull market. Next 4-year cycle, potentially. This is where we're at. This is where we are at. And that makes the most sense. Deadwood, looks like your plume is still holding support there. Dogecoin still waiting to confirm if this is a bear trap or not. If we hold this point of control, if we hold this POC, and if we break above 19, excuse me, if we get above 19 cents, if we can get up here, reclaim support here. Bear trap confirmed. My green screen is... Oh, the blue seems to help. I'm not so red-faced. Bear trap. What is this? What is this? Who allowed this? Tropical Love Sunset Melody bonus piano. Oh, how sweet. Thank you, DJ. Guys, thank you for joining. Don't forget to tap that like button on the way in. It really helps support the stream. It helps support the channel. I don't know why you wouldn't just tap the like button, man. Gosh, man. Gosh. Why? At some point, we will reach our like goal. You know what? Man. That's what we're going to do. Crypto forecast for tomorrow. What's up, I win? Like the name. Crypto dump tomorrow. Well, you know, so much depends on this support holding or not. So much depends on that. I win. Stick around and you will change that pattern. Are we looking at the potential rolling over of the Bitcoin price? Are we looking at the potential crash of 2025, the big one? Or can Bitcoin manage to pull this off? Everyone is here. Everyone is watching. Everyone is waiting for the ultimate Bitcoin price move. And it is coming. It will drag Ethereum. It will drag altcoins. It will drag them all. And we have a couple of options. And that's about it. Either our support holds, either the channel holds and we run. Or the channel does not hold. Measure move target of that channel breakout to the downside is 53,200 approximately. Of course, we do have the support to look at here. I have a box in at support and resistance from previous consolidation, which would give us which would also give us the weekly 200 moving average price target of $65,500. And that is where I come up with the $65,500 target. That will put the price of Bitcoin right on top of the 200-week moving average. The big deal here is whether or not the channel support holds and whether or not this indicator holds. This bull market support band. And that is what we're looking at here. The bull market support band, which every time you can see I have circled here, every single time we came to this support, the price bounced. We came to support, price bounced. Came to support, price bounced. Came to support, price bounced. Came to support. Does the price bounce from here? What is up, Mike M? Good to see you. Thanks for being here. Bitcoin OGs rotating into Zcash. What do you think? Well, you know, Zcash, I'll tell you what. Is it over for Zcash? Is it over for Zcash? I totally did not have my alert box on top of the display. So I'm sorry it didn't pop up there, Mike M, but thank you for that $2 super chat. I do appreciate you very much. Mike M, welcome to the crew. Thank you for supporting the stream. You know, Zcash has dropped here, and we are resting. We actually bounced. We bounced on a previous support. We have the support line, or previous resistance line actually here, from where you broke out bullish, and previous support line right here. Sorry about that. I don't know if I'm in the circus or what's going on. But Zcash actually broke bullish, and then we did retrace back down to this support, and it bounced. We bounced nicely here. Now let's look at what we're doing on the hourly for Zcash. I think if we... So we have the 50 hourly moving average holding support. We actually just broke above that. Zcash just broke above the 50 moving average on the hourly right here. Broke above that. And look, I'll say this. If this indicator flips the way it did here, and if it flips like that here, you can see it's already starting to turn green. When we zoom in on that pretty closely, you can see how we're already starting to turn green. Look at that. Turning green. Starting to turn green. Once this flips, Zcash could be on its way, well on its way back up, and of course we have another rounded bottom taking place, which could lead to higher price action for Zcash here. We could put in a nice little cup right there, actually. So if that holds, then we're doing good. If that holds, otherwise, I mean, it's a good possibility. If you lose that, Zcash would come down here to 285. 285 is pretty strong. Pretty strong level for Zcash is 285. So I would definitely... Right there, close enough. Close enough. Mike M, I appreciate the sub, man. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Greatly appreciated, man. And then, of course, you know, we are just watching it closely, man. It's really a make or break moment, and really confusing, as nobody really knows how to take what's happening, right? Most people that have been in crypto for a long time still don't know really how to take what's going on currently in the space. We have so much bullish adoption going on, yet we are coming to the potential end of the 4-year cycle. But with so much bullish so many bullish catalysts in front of us, now we have people talking about the 4-year cycle being dead again. It's tough to say whether or not this is a sell signal. There's so many reasons. There's just so many reasons why we should not consider this a sell signal. But then there's reasons why we should, and that's why I say people don't really know. Most people in crypto don't really know. Nobody really knows. We all have our guesses. We all have our assumptions, our analysis, our TA. But at the end of the day, the crypto market has completely changed. We cannot deny the fact that the crypto market has completely changed now. The big institutional players coming into the space like they have, BlackRock, etc., buying up so much Bitcoin, buying up Ethereum. The ETFs have seemed to become more of a chokehold on the market than anything else. And with us seeing the inflows and outflows of the ETFs spook investors and traders the way they have, now we see even more control and manipulation of the market. So can we depend on our analysis? Can we be even close to correct here? Ethereum with the 4-hour rounded top here. Okay. Ugly. Ugly. Anybody in crypto will tell you right now that this is ugly. Extremely ugly. And the fact is, you've already broken out of the potential bear flag. You've broken out of this channel. You have broken bearishly. You've broken to the downside. And if ETH can maintain this, same thing with Bitcoin here. We are looking at Bitcoin within this potential channel, potential measure move. But even if we go lower, I've told you guys before, there's only so low that we can go. The Bitcoin price, Ethereum included, is not going to go below certain thresholds, in my opinion. As always, not financial advice. Please read the disclaimers. Looks like they measure move here, potentially. About 2,800. We got a little bit conservative here. We can put our conservative move in. 3K. 3K. So that's going to line you up with this wick at $3,000. Question for you guys. I wonder why that superjet. Oh, that superjet didn't count towards the go. Doge riding here in between the LSMA and the 50 daily moving average, squeezing here, and this could give us a pop. pop that we need to see Doge confirm this bear trap. Woo-wee. Look at Bitcoin dumping here on the 5 minutes. Coming on down, we are testing. We are coming to 100K, guys. Here we go. ETH is testing support as well. Here we go. Breaking support. We are dumping, guys. We are dumping. Dump, dump, dump. Dump. Ooh. What is going on, Mark Z? Woo! Mark Z, rising channel. Yes, bro. Now, what we're doing, what we're going to see happen now is we're coming up to test that breakout. Test the breakout here to the downside. You know, I tell you what. Looks like Ethereum is trying to reclaim support. Pulled the plug on my headphones. Jeez. Yes. Yes, Stragaheart. We have to stay hydrated. We must stay hydrated. Got to drink the H2O. Especially after last night, man. Especially after Ishmael failed to bring us the tacos. You know, Ishmael really let us down last night. Ishmael! Let us down bad, man. But we did get the tacos. We ate good. We ate damn good. $100,000%. 100,000%. What will tomorrow bring? Just put the daily up here. We all know this looks like a top, but it doesn't look like a cycle top. Looks more like one of these tops, but it definitely looks like a top. And if we lose support here, I mean, absolutely, 100% we could drop to 80,000. Maybe even 72. There's no reason for us not to think that that we won't come down. Right? Yeah, Striggerheart. I thought Streamlabs was supposed to take care of those things, but
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is this confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright? I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
I was built to last with the limbs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's coming in.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic.
And if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. Yeah. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I can change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. Got a monster inside of me, you better watch out. If your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets caught real big, gets off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gold. Always wanting more, freedom from the source. They don't really listen until they feel the force of blood. And if you start shit, you be hard-lived in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's in. Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta
I
struggle
don't
through
give
the
a fuck
sewer.
what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.